We're taking you on a whirlwind shopping adventure in beautiful Thessaloniki, Greece. That's right, we're heading to the one and only One Salonica Outlet Mall. Get ready for a treasure trove of amazing deals, because One Salonica is all about scoring top designer brands at outlet prices, up to 70% off. And listen up, international shoppers. You can even get a tax refund on your purchases. Remember to enable subtitles for the best viewing experience. For visitors coming outside the city, situated right off Thessaloniki's western entrance, you'll find One Salonica conveniently nestled near a key exit of the new Egnatia Highway, E90. This major east-west artery connects Thessaloniki to all of Greece and beyond, making it a breeze to reach from anywhere in the country or neighboring Balkan nations. This is the outdoor parking area. There is more parking space underground. But wait, there's more. One Salonica is only 3 kilometers from the heart of Thessaloniki, putting you in prime position to explore the city's vibrant core after your shopping spree. No matter how you travel, One Salonica has you covered. Drive in and park with ease, or enjoy a scenic bike ride. Even Thessaloniki's central train station is just 500 meters away, a bit to the northeast. Need a break from shopping? No problem. One Salonica is surrounded by a variety of hotels, including luxurious 5-star options, many within walking distance. Plus, as you will see later, the mall boasts a massive hypermarket for all your grocery needs. One Salonica isn't just about shopping, it's a full-on family fun zone. Need a break from all that retail therapy? Grab some groceries at the massive hypermarket, catch the latest blockbuster at the cinema, or let the kids loose in the awesome playground. Throughout this video, we'll guide you, showing you everything you need to know about One Salonica. We'll cover where it is, how to get there, the opening hours, and of course all the exciting things you can do besides shopping. So buckle up, fashionistas and fun seekers. It's time to explore One Salonica. This second floor is the main food court with many international, but also local fast food chains available. There are also some outdoor cafes with a view of the city. Furthermore, here you will find the Cineplexx venue that features 8 screens, with the inclusion of an open-air summer cinema and a great IMAX screen. Unleash your inner fashion icon on the first floor of One Salonica. This is where you'll find a vibrant collection of clothing stores, housing everything from familiar favorites to trendy boutiques. Whether you're seeking statement pieces, timeless essentials, or the latest styles, this floor is a treasure trove for all your wardrobe needs. Get ready to browse through a wide range of options, discover new brands, and find the perfect outfit to express your unique style. Here's a breakdown of One Salonica's opening hours. Shopping. Retail stores. Unleash your inner shopaholic from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. On Saturdays, browse at your own pace from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Please note that stores are closed on Sundays. Food and entertainment. Food court. Feeling peckish? The food court is open to satisfy your cravings from 9 a.m. to midnight, Monday through Saturday. On Sundays, grab a bite between 10 a.m. and midnight. Hypermarket. Need to stock up on groceries? The hypermarket is open weekdays, Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Saturdays offer slightly shorter hours, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The hypermarket is closed on Sundays. Additional services. Kiosk. For those quick on-the-go needs, the kiosk caters to you Monday through Saturday, from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. On Sundays, the kiosk has slightly later hours, opening at 10:30 a.m. and closing at 11 p.m. Pharmacy. The pharmacy operates on weekdays, Monday to Friday, from 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. On Saturdays, they are open from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Keep in mind that the pharmacy is closed on Sundays. We have more walking tours in Thessaloniki, and even aerial videos with practical info about what to visit in the city. For your convenience, we have created a relevant playlist which you can find in the description tab. This video was recorded with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and 10-bit HLG, so you can enjoy 4K HDR on compatible devices. Have you been there? Please share your impressions in the comments. We hope you will find this video useful. It takes detailed planning and a long time to record, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page Bestravelvideo.com. The ground floor explodes with shopping possibilities. Prepare to be dazzled by a wider selection of stores compared to other floors, all offering incredible deals. Get ready to sift through a diverse range of shops, maximizing your chances of scoring the perfect bargain on everything from fashion to footwear or personal care. We created this walking tour having you, the viewer, in mind. As we walk in the area in real time, we would like to think that this helps you see and understand how close or far away each point of interest is, and this helps plan your trip better. If you're interested in a specific section, feel free to skip ahead using the chapters we've created. This way, you can easily jump to the part you're most excited about. Let's keep going and discover more of the charm and excitement that One Salonica has to offer. If you have any further questions or need more information, please let us know. Stay tuned as we explore the rest of the area. Don't fill your shopping bags just yet. Our exploration of One Salonica continues down to the underground floors. There, a whole new world awaits. Supermarket extravaganza. Prepare to be wowed by the massive supermarket. Stock up on everything you need, from fresh produce and pantry staples to household essentials. This one-stop shop is perfect for grabbing groceries after a productive shopping spree. Parking paradise. No need to worry about finding a spot. The vast underground parking area offers ample space for your car. Park with ease and head straight for the shopping fun. So take a breather, fuel up at the food court upstairs, and get ready to discover the hidden gems of One Salonica's underground floors. Before you leave, check out this captivating video.